Hi all. So today we're going to talk about another major myth in pregnancy, which is regarding traveling during pregnancy. So is it safe to travel during pregnancy? It definitely is. Depends on what term of pregnancy you're talking about. So if you planned a big trip during pregnancy, a major holiday, then the best time to travel would be between 20 to 28 weeks of pregnancy, by which your anomaly scan would be done, you know that your baby is healthy, you know the position of the placenta, and then you can decide whether it's safe for you to travel. But definitely try to finish off that trip before you enter the third trimester, which is at 28 weeks of pregnancy. If it's traveling towards the end of pregnancy, like there are people who have the antenatal checkups in one town and plan to go home to their hometown to deliver, in that case, if you're planning to travel, then the best time would be between 32 to 34 weeks of pregnancy. So because there are a lot of airlines which refuse to take pregnant women when they are beyond 34 weeks, and if it's a twin pregnancy, then maybe you'll have to plan it a little earlier. Regarding traveling during the first trimester, especially there are people who go far off places to work, whose job involves traveling daily, then it again depends on how low risk your pregnancy is. Like if you have twin pregnancies or if you have a history of abortions due to cervical incompetence, which is weakness of the cervix, then maybe we'll advise you to avoid traveling daily, and you might have to shift to somewhere closer to your workplace to work. Otherwise, it's safe to travel during pregnancy, but in case there's long distance trips involved in pregnancy, the best way to travel would be by train rather than by road, considering the condition of the roads in our country. And if not by train or road, and air travel is also considerably safe during pregnancy, at least up to the 34-35 weeks of pregnancy, beyond which most airlines don't allow you to fly.